In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows in HubSpot. Welcome to our walkthrough on setting up workflows efficiently. To get started, ensure that you've logged into your HubSpot account. Having access to your account ready and at hand will make this process smooth and efficient, allowing us to dive right into our task. Once you are logged in, the first thing we need to do is navigate to the trial guide. Now, you might be wondering, why are we going here first? Well, the trial guide is a fantastic resource that contains everything you'll need to kick off your form building process. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this guide acts as a cornerstone, giving you access to various resources and tools at your fingertips. Now that we've set up a foundation, let's move over to our homepage. From here, you'll notice a tab labeled Automation. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you into the land of workflows, a significant component of HubSpot that automates processes and makes your workflow seamless and efficient. Once you've clicked on Automation, you're going to want to look for the Workflows option and select it. This is where we really get into the nitty-gritty of setting up our personalized workflow. Next up, you'll see the Create Workflow option. Clicking this will prompt you to decide how you wish to set up your new workflow. For our walkthrough today, we will select From Scratch. This option is ideal if you're looking to tailor your workflow to your specific needs and want to build something uniquely suited to your business operations. Now, as you select From Scratch, take a glance at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find options to choose a trigger to start your workflow. These triggers are crucial as they dictate what actions will initiate your workflow. Think of them as the first domino in a chain reaction. Depending on your specific needs, you can choose various triggers. So feel free to customize everything to match your particular preferences and business requirements. Once you've carefully set up your trigger and customized all the necessary elements of your workflow, you're almost there. The final step is to click Review and Publish. This is a crucial step as it allows you to double-check everything, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your intentions. And when it all looks good, hit Publish. Your workflow will now be live, actively helping to streamline your operations. And there you have it. Creating workflows in HubSpot is a process that's both critical and immensely rewarding, providing automation that saves time and effort in your everyday tasks. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need a new workflow or a refresh, and happy HubSpotting!